Hi there my friend, in this short video I'm going to walk you through the sequence of steps you need to take to sign up and get started with D.AI.SY. And the very first step, if you haven't done so already, is to download an approved Tron wallet that is compatible with the D.AI.SY crowdfunding project. Your options are either Clever or Tron Link. Once you've downloaded and installed your wallet, you're going to fund that Tron wallet with the Tron equivalent of your chosen contribution level, plus 10% buffer to absorb any fluctuations that may occur in the price of Tron. Now, you may want to choose to go with the Clever wallet because that's what's being used for demonstration purposes in these videos, so just to make life easier for yourself. The next step is to receive a smart link from your referrer. Once you've received that smart link, you want to paste it into your Tron wallet, hit enter, hit go. So I'm now going to demonstrate to you exactly what step 4 would look like from inside the Clever wallet. If you look right down along the bottom here, you're going to see a little globe icon right here. I'm going to click that, tap on that, and here we have the dApp browser. This is what allows us to interface with decentralized smart contracts like D.AI.SY. And this is where you're going to be pasting your referral link from the person who referred you to D.AI.SY. Where it says enter URL, going to tap that, and just like any other browser, visit that link, and it's just going to almost look like one of those incognito or private browsers, and it functions just like a browser. It's very important to mention at this point that if you are attempting to interact with the D.AI.SY smart contract from an IP address in the United States, you will not be able to interact with it. It will block you. So for that reason, you are going to need what's known as a VPN if you are currently residing in the United States of America, and there's a free service that's very reliable. If you go to the Android Google Play Store, look for Proton VPN, just follow the simple instructions, very easy to use, install that. That's going to change your IP address and simulate an IP address in different countries that you are able to access. And honestly, for all of you watching this, as an extra layer of security and privacy, it's a wonderful thing to have a VPN either way, on your phone and on your computer. There's paid services as well, such as ExpressVPN, that you can use, which I recommend, but this is a reliable free solution. So just to do a quick recap, if you have successfully gotten this far, you have visited the D.AI.SY crowdfunding site through your sponsor's referral link from inside the Tron wallet, and if you're in the United States, you're using a VPN to change your IP address to a different location. Once you've achieved that, you're going to land on the website and you will be prompted to create a username and password. Now, I highly suggest you just pause this video right now and decide to create one right now. Choose that right now, because every second counts when we're dealing with smart contracts, when you have thousands of people joining, because timing and placement is essential. The sixth step is to then purchase your crowdfunding tiers, your crowdfunding packages, starting with the $100. They are sequential. You must purchase them one at a time, starting with the 100, then 200, 400, 800, 1600, 3200, and so on. And once you've done that, my friend, congratulations, you have secured your spot in the matrix in the D.AI.SY smart contract, and now it's time to immediately share it with as many people as possible, spread the word, impact people's lives, and let's make it happen, my friend. If you've any questions, please reach out to us inside of our community. If you are watching this video again and you have not performed step 1 and 2 again, below this video in the description there will be a link with the step-by-step walkthrough of exactly how to do that. Wishing you great success. See you at the top, my friend.